heart, just like Bruce Springsteen would do. Well, maybe I should take a chance and go after romance, but I'm in a very difficult circumstance. He must have her in a hypnotic trance, because that's the only way that I can explain the reason that they remain, and it's driving me insane. And I'd like to get into her brain and say that she's in love with a geek.